Hey everybody, we're at 3821 Pacific Avenue. We're centrally located in Las Vegas. This house has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and it's 2,200 square feet.
This home is a single-story home on 13,000 square feet of land, which is great here in Las Vegas.
So we're going to go ahead and jump right in, and I hope you enjoy the video.
We are at 3821 Pacific in Las Vegas, Nevada. This is a fixer-upper home, and it's a great home if you know how to fix up, or if you want to teach somebody how to fix up. It has 13,000 square feet of property, which is huge. You can do a lot with this backyard. So here's a side view. It's definitely RV parking, and it does have a circular driveway. It has lots of windows here and a couple of entrances. So here's another entrance as well. This used to be the garage, and they made it into a living room area. Here's the side of the house. And the dining, and they converted this area right here, and they also added an air conditioner. It has a really good neighborhood. There's no HOA. There's trees here, and you can add more trees, more plants. Definitely needs some paint, so we're gonna go right inside.
This property is 13,000 square feet of land, so you can do a lot with this.
That's right. You can also look to do a renovation type loan on this home with as little as 3.5% down. This home could qualify for FHA 203K.
And I did mention it's centrally located, so it's great because we're right by the hospital, we're by the golf course, and we're also by the mall.
There's no HOAs for this community, and we're very close to the Strip where there's a lot of great dining and shows.
So let's recap. This property has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2,200 square feet, and the property is 13,000 square feet. So if you guys want to know more about this fixer-upper or any other fixer-upper, we can help you with that. This is our information right here. You can call us, text us, email us, however you want to get a hold of us. We're here to help you in any way possible. And with that said, you guys make it a blessed day.